Oh, hey everybody. Welcome back. I hope you're all doing well. This time, we will see different ways to load data into Pandas. The Pandas library is extremely flexible, allowing you to work with different data formats. This video will show you how to load data from different sources, which include both local and remote. So let's get started. So as usual, we are going to import Pandas as PD. And we are going to create the CSV URL. So first of all, let's let's see how to load data from the remote, which is the data set is in online, like in GitHub. So let's go to my GitHub. This is my GitHub and repository with analyst, the frame. Okay, so we have the transaction.csv. So how do we load this data, which is online, into our CSV URL? First of all, we need to use this transaction.csv from online into our local data frame. So we need to have this CSV URL. So we should click the raw, yes, raw. So we will have the transaction URL and we put it right here. Okay. And we will use a pd.csv to load a CSV file and put it into the DF. We print it out. Then df.hat. We just need to see about the first 10 columns. Aha, voila. Now it is okay. It's not working. So the next one that I want to show you is the local, not the global, not online, which is very simple since we have already have the data set customer 100.csv right here. All we need to do is just give its name, customers 100.csv, df quest to ed.read csv, csv URL, and df.hat. Okay, so now it is working. If we want to use the index as the index column, we should put another parameter right here, which is index column equal to 0, which means the index column will be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 will be our index as a column. Okay, that's for today. I hope you will enjoy watching this video. So see you next time. Bye bye.